What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto crew, Kaspa is a one-of-a-kind crypto project, and with all the developments that it still has to see during this 2024-2025 bull run, I'm all in on this Layer 1 project. During Kaspa's first ever Kaspa Enterprise event in Dublin, the world was showing a sneak preview from what is to come, and Rory O'Neill dropped some extremely interesting developments from Kaspa Kii. In today's vid, we'll learn more about the Kaspa Kii initiative with Rory O'Neill and also the future that Kaspa is building toward with Kaspa Kii Academy. Shout out to the Kaspa Kii's YouTube channel.
ZET-EX, the Zero Emission Trading Exchange. And ZET-EX is designed to fundamentally transform how we approach carbon markets and sustainable energy trading. But the problem is, you have to try and navigate a fragmented carbon market, and it's currently a wild west. There's a need for standards and transparency, and that leads to a lot of challenges in the current carbon market. The carbon market lacks standard protocols, leading to lots and lots of inefficiencies and uncertainties and frauds. There's a lack of transparency globally. There's inconsistent practices, unclear certifications, and it undermines trust and hinders investment. And then there's lots of inefficiencies that in the market. One of the things that we want to do as part of ZET-EX is to have a very strong commitment to developing standards and collaborations. To overcome that, we want to contribute to key trading standards. We want to work alongside organizations like the Zero Emissions Traders Alliance, and the mission of ZETA is to shape and bring transparent markets for low and sub-zero carbon emission projects by establishing clear standards and protocols. And what we want to do is align with ZETA's vision by promoting standardization, transparency, and trust in the carbon market. We're developing this with global partners, building upon Kaspa's advanced technology. ZET-EX represents a complete shift into tokenization and trading of green energy assets and their associated attributes, and the initial focus will be on the MENA region. We want to create new liquid markets. Again, we want to start off by focusing on the MENA region, leveraging the region's potential in renewable energy and particularly green hydrogen production. We want to provide a dedicated platform for trading in these e-fuels, and we want to also facilitate the enablement of fractional ownership of large energy assets like wind farms, solar arrays, green hydrogen facilities, all leveraging Kaspa's technology of scalability, its capability of handling high transaction volumes, which is essential for building a global trading platform of the magnitude that we're talking about. We want to leverage Kaspa security to ensure data integrity and transaction authenticity. And then transparency. Kaspa is an open block DAG and fosters trust and provides a transparent audit trail. A big part of it is also to collaborate with key industry stakeholders. And you know our collective backgrounds. So we want to collaborate with those key stakeholders and incentivize them to start adopting this system. And then to engage in education and outreach, facilitate understanding and trust through transparent, open communication. We want to open up this ecosystem to allow for third-party developers to come and build on this platform and to be inclusive in terms of building new capacity. And we want to provide developer tools and resources like SDKs and APIs, comprehensive standards and contracts and documents and template smart contracts, collaborate with institutions and NGOs to provide training and resources. It supports global carbon neutrality goals, and we want to break down barriers, foster global cross-border collaboration, and align the efforts of the energy industry to meet the climate goals collectively and to actually create real markets for trading these instruments and advancing the global standards and create a cohesive and effective global carbon market. And I'm really happy to say that, you know, together with the KAI chairman Paul and organisations like ZETA, I really think we can do a really good job using Kaspa technology. We can overcome fragmentation, set clear standards, and bring transparency to carbon markets.
Our journey wouldn't be possible or complete without obviously investing in the people who will drive the next wave of innovation. So that's why we are proud to introduce the KAI Academy, the Launchpad, which is a comprehensive program which we've dedicated to fostering talent and accelerating the adoption of the Kaspa technology across several fields and industries. It's a launchpad for success. We will help provide resources, guidance, and a variety of support to transform the innovative ideas into real-world, impactful use cases that are sustainable and applicable in real life. The KAI Academy will focus on 4 key programs. The first one will focus on developers, where we will provide a variety of guidance and support, helping the developers with practical skills when it relates to Kaspa's technology. And we will be helping to offer technical documentation, a variety of other resources, access to open source libraries, and so on. The second program will be focused on startups. So it's a startup accelerator. There we will be looking to provide investments ranging from $25,000 to $20 million based on the project, of course, and its potential. We will help provide mentorship, guiding the startups through their business journey and planning and strategies, including token economics or other market-related processes and strategies. It was mentioned a lot of times that we will help with collaboration, connecting entrepreneurs and innovators, relevant partners with policymakers and other important experts, researchers, and so on. The third program will focus on universities and educational institutions. We want to obviously partner with those that are heavily involved in research and also in providing academic programs. We will be supporting internships and scholarships, so obviously offering opportunities to gain real-life experience. We will also focus on community building, so really fostering the network of young or old innovators of whatever background. Fourth program will focus on Kaspa in enterprise. In this program, we will provide workshops and seminars, educational activities on what is Kaspa's potential and also what are its implementation strategies, with long-term adoption and sort of guiding these projects throughout this journey and providing an ongoing support on their journey to integrate Kaspa into their operations and sales accordingly. We will focus on a methodology that abbreviate as START, Scale, Succeed, and Sustain. We want to help with igniting ideas, with technical and business guidance. We want to help expand the outreach through the resources that we would provide, through the networking that we would facilitate. Rory already mentioned that we are, as an initiative, committed to trust and transparency, compliance, also fair launch of these projects. I want to highlight that we will focus on certified applications, so applications that are certified by the KAI Academy. Basically, what the Launchpad will provide is a pathway to innovation. We will help you innovate, turn your ideas into reality, scalable and long-lasting reality. We will do so also through collaboration with industry peers and leaders, but also public sector representatives and academia. And we also want to help you lead in this new pathway of the Kaspa technology.
As you can see, Crypto Crew, Kaspa's building towards the future and building on the future. This is why I'm invested into Kaspa long term. I'm certainly interested in what Kaspa will do during this 2024-2025 bull run, but I'm even more interested after this bull run, the fall of 2025 into the next bull run of 2029-2030. So yes, Kaspa is currently correcting, and it's been a while since we saw some bullish momentum at the making of this recording. So I understand that this can all be frustrating, but just know that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope. I wish for you, Crypto Crew, to store treasures in heaven eternally by believing in the gospel of Christ. But until then, I wish for you to store as much treasure as possible during this 2024-2025 bull run, and my pick is Kaspa. Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean, growing grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say I.